In this video, I will show you how to knit the lattice pattern in the Quill design series, which consists of a 16-row repeat. Cast on stitches for your swatch divisible by 4 plus 3 extra stitches. I have cast on 19 stitches here. Purl all stitches on the wrong side. We are now ready to knit row 1 of the pattern repeat. Knit the first stitch and then slip 2 stitches purlwise with yarn in front. Knit 1 stitch and pull the work gently to ensure that the first float is long enough. Slip 3 stitches purlwise with yarn in front. And knit 1 stitch. Repeat this, adjusting the length of the floats every 8 stitches. Hold the yarn with your thumb when knitting the first stitch of the next repeat. When there are 3 stitches remaining on the needle, only 2 stitches are slipped for the last float. The last stitch is knit and the float is adjusted. On row 2, purl all stitches. Work rows 1 to 2 a total of 3 times. There are now 3 floats layered on top of each other, which are picked up on row 7 as follows. Knit the first stitch and then insert the right needle up under the 3 floats. If you are knitting with multiple strands, make sure to catch all of them. Knit 1 stitch and bring the right needle back under the floats. Knit 3 stitches and pick up the next 3 floats in the same way. Right needle up under the floats. Knit the stitch and right needle back under the floats. Repeat the 4 stitches to the end of the row. All stitches are purled on row 8. We have now worked the first half of the 16-row repeat. The next 8 rows are worked so that the floats are staggered. Knit 2 stitches so you have worked the gathering stitch. Slip 3 stitches with yarn in front. Repeat the 4 stitches and remember to adjust the floats every 8 stitches. The last 2 stitches are knit. Row 10 is purled. And these 2 rows are repeated. There are now 3 floats layered on top of each other, which are picked up on row 15 as follows. Knit 3 stitches and pick up the 3 floats as before. Repeat to the end of the row. Row 16 is purled. When you need to count the row height on your swatch, it is easiest done at one of the gathering stitches.